We're filming with Instagram right now and it is snowing so hard. It's literally a blizzard. Huh? Shane is covered in snow. Pretty.
We have a disagreement.
Shane wants to buy like those liquid drops that flavors water. He wants a blue Kool-Aid flavored drops.
Because as a kid, I was never allowed to have that. And they always seem so cool.
You're still not allowed.
I'm gonna try it. Okay.
Blueberry lemonade? That one's like a health one.
I don't want a health one. I want straight up Kool-Aid.
It's called tropical punch though. You know it's not blue raspberry.
Oh, blueberry lemonade. That
yeah,
one.
The healthy blueberry lemonade.
Yeah.
He found the Kool-Aid blue raspberry one. Which one do you want? Okay.
A video.
What's wrong? What's hurting?
My hands burn.
Why?
I didn't want to run my toe from the car to inside. I thought that I'd be fine. They feel like there's needles in them.
Silly. I don't get what the big deal is.
Hold that even with your chest. Compared to your torso, you bought a torso-sized box of bagel bites. How many are in there?
40. It's like 2 servings. I just hope it fits in the freezer. A spot isn't jumping out to me when I look at it, so I'm getting a little bit worried, but I'm hoping with some rearranging. It is the exact width of the freezer. Now, isn't that interesting?
I do not remember our zip code.
What's Minneapolis's zip code?
55410. I know
Yeah.
that one. 408.
Nope, that's Humboldt.
I don't know.
55 0
0500. We're speaking to a kindergarten class today, but no one showed up.
Just kidding. They're coming soon.
They're on the way. They're at recess.
Shane's here very early, as always.
Did you think I'd be late? What's she doing?
Sitting.
Over there?
It's where the chairs are.
What are you waiting for?
The rice to be ready. I'm hungry. I want to be near the kitchen, but I didn't want to drag the chair into the kitchen.
Why are you sitting?
I'm tired. I mean, the rice takes 25 minutes. I didn't want to stand. So I'm sitting so I can see it.
Must be nice to choose.
Well, you've got a prime seat there. Must be nice to always have your prime seat.
Don't worry, I'll watch it.
Are you tall enough to see over the edge of the pan?
I can see fine. You're boiling our food to death.
Oh, okay.
I think the one closest to the food being prepared is probably the head chef.
I think that's actually not true, if you think about it.
I did think about
I'm
it.
sitting over here directing. You're the one monitoring my food, really? The one that watches the rice boil is the head chef? Sure.
That feels like a wisdom proverb. The one who watches the rice boil
Is not head chef.
misses the best simmers of all.
Okay. Yeah, I'm out here enjoying real life. You're all caught up in the boils of your rice. Sad, really.
What do you prefer, winter or summer?
You laughing at that? God. Head chef is here to monitor your progress. Oh, beautiful.
Now, is that a simmer or a boil?
That's a simmer. Little bubbles.
bright and early. We're driving up to Minneapolis for 2 school presentations.
We're going to be presenting Shane's children's book to how old are they? Kindergarten through 5th graders,
At
2 different schools. But these are actually the schools that my nieces go to, so the 3 of them will be in the 2 different presentations.
They're
so
very excited to see us.
yeah, we're excited too.
I'm just gonna make fun of them on stage.
Yeah, let's tell secrets about them.
It's very told out.
The Minnesota winter has not warmed up yet.
No.
No.
I don't have a hood on though. Well, I had it on, but I took it off the minute we got in the van.
That's okay, we have heat on.
Well, it's cold air blowing out right now.
Yeah. We should probably go. Now we're getting onto main roads.
Yep. See you when we get there.
We just arrived, and now Shane has to call the school secretary to let us in.
Hi, is this Jean?
It is.
This is Shane Bertall.
Hi.
Hi.
At the door?
We're right outside, so.
I'll be right there.
All right, awesome, thank you.
Okay.
We're here, we're getting all set up.
Yep.
The technology worked, which is amazing. Why
Quickly.
don't we bring the PowerPoint up so they're not.
So it's not your email?
Listen to my emails.
That's nice.
All right, because today we are going to work together to answer some emails.
It's a nice room.
Here, I'm going to be a student.
It's big.
Why can't you walk?
Why are you weird?
Why are you so small? All right, let's seriously get my email off of there. We're done with our speech, and we came outside, and it's snowing again. Hooray! That makes me so happy.
When is it not snowing? The students had really good questions, and now we are going to get lunch before we go to the other school. And our door on the van is broken, so I need to put my phone down and wrench it open. Yeah, it's not. Oh, that's not good. That's what's been happening, so that'll have to be fixed.
That's gonna be expensive. You should show them what you have to do. I don't know how you'll be able to.
I will, yeah. All right, so here's how we close the door now. We've got to get it to be manual. But I come down here and I encourage this to, this way. I encourage this to sort of curl on in there. To that point, I just, nope. Curl on in there. And now oh. Excuse me. All right, good enough. Shane's getting directions up to a diner that we like. It's called Curran's.
We only have one option for lunch.
Yeah, so because it's snowing right now and there's like 8 feet of snow on the ground, we have to go somewhere that has a lot because Shane can't get out on any of the sidewalks because they're just filled with snow.
There's literally like 4.5 feet of snow on every sidewalk.
Yeah.
So
street parking isn't an option for us. Got myself a large cranberry juice and we're ready to go. Are you ready?
I'm full.
He's full.
I ate too much. I'm just gonna be burping in front of the children.
Great. We're a little bit early to the lower campus of the school we're visiting. Shane is taking this as an opportunity to explore the empty classrooms. Seems a little inappropriate. Just kidding. We were invited to look at this art.
The snowflake art.
Yeah. We're behind a plow, which has positives and negatives. One, the road is plowed, so that's nice, but we're going pretty slowly, and he seems to be going exactly to our house.
We stopped by to visit his parents, and it snowed so much since we were here a day ago that we have to shovel.
Can't get Shane out.
But Liz is beasting it, don't we?
Are you having fun, Mom? Oh, yeah. I offered to do it, but she is in the zone.
Fun in the snow.
Move to Minnesota, they
Why
said.
don't we go to Florida? What is this?
Oh, one of
Treasure.
Dad's things. For our upcoming trip to Florida, you can't see.
I hate that look when you put it way up above your head.
For our upcoming trip to Florida, we're trying to
We're experimenting.
make a smaller car seat because the one that Shane uses on a plane is really cumbersome and huge.
Edit.
In case you've missed our earlier videos, Shane can't sit in a normal airline seat, so he sits in a customized car seat to help him fly comfortably.
Creates a lot of problems with it.
He doesn't really fit in the seat because the seat is so big, like his
You have
feet.
to kind of like break both my legs to like winch me in behind that
Not enough
seat
leg
in
space.
front of us.
Yeah.
If we can find a smaller solution, we can fly a lot easier.
This is my niece's spare car seat. It's nice and pink. We're gonna try to see if we can make it comfortable.
Retrofit it.
Yeah. Here's the car seat. So far, we have added a gel pack, a spare gel pack from Shane's wheelchair seat. So it's nice and squishy. And then we have wrapped one of these armrests. He leans to his right, so we wrapped this in fleece.
So that my rib cage doesn't snap.
So his rib cage doesn't get dented by it. And then we're gonna put him in and see what else
What
needs to be
happens?
propped.
Alright,
Yeah.
test one.
Test one.
Ugh.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh, that's it?
narrow. Oh,
Narrowed a
Careful.
long way.
I won't fall forward, like, oh yeah, well.
Yeah, I won't
Alright,
fall
your knee
forward.
right a little bit. Oh yeah, in my ribs.
Oh, that hurts. Oh yeah. That's right in the bad spot.
Pull my butt left a little bit.
You think?
Yeah, just try it. Oh, I almost fell out. Alright, now.
I almost fell. Do you want a memory foam there that's maybe a little thicker? Like, I mean, I can really
Well,
make it soft.
try, yeah.
You think it'll fit? I need to lean you left.
Ah,
Go left.
I'm
Go
falling
left.
forward.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
I have your throat.
Ah.
Oh, sorry. That was my fingers.
Alright, you're breaking my left collarbone. This whole, I'm afraid the seat's gonna fall off to the front.
The seat is fine. It's you. You need your straps.
Alright, that's better.
This is as if you had your straps on.
Put my head right a little bit. And my butt left. Is that you? Alright.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I mean, this right. Here, let me photo it.
Is that gonna hurt?
I don't know. I mean, we should tie it up a lot. But this would
Oh
work.
yeah, it's still really hard. Well, would it work or would it not? You know, like if it's gonna really hurt.
I won't know. I have to
And
sit in
bruise.
this for 4 hours.
I know.
How's the height of where the straps will be on the
Ooh,
top?
low. We can raise this
We
up
can
though.
raise that.
True. So that's this.
Don't
Now
put it
it's-
down or it'll pinch my back fat.
No, yeah. Oh. Pinch your back fat.
Yeah, I feel it like that will clamp my
What
love
if you
handles.
were
Oh, you ruined my show.
clamp
Just
your love
yelled.
handles? I'm sorry. I'm in work mode. What if you were like pulled back like this with your straps? Nice and tight.
And my head stayed back.
No, and your head had a pillow there. To be like this.
I prefer not, but
Really? I just thought that would take the pressure off your ribby.
it would, but I can't like swallow and then breathe while my head's back.
All of a sudden you can't breathe like that?
That would put a damper on things.
Alright, well this is good to work with, I think.
I don't know. We'd have to try your straps because this is like
Yeah, we have to
all
see how
pretend
they-
right now. You okay? What happened?
Don't talk to me like I'm a baby, even when I'm acting like a
Why don't
baby.
you tell them what happened?
I got a new sauce for my warmies, and it was buffalo mustard.
Mm-hmm.
Should have known that would not be good.
Well,
It's so spicy.
he really smothered his
Show them.
first bite, and now he's upset that it was too spicy.
I can't feel my mouth.
Hence me treating him like a baby. I think you're okay. Why don't you take a sip? Take a little sip.
I'm still chewing it. There was food in my mouth that whole time. Okay, so a follower sent us a song about beer that I'm going to attempt to sing. It's like based around the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, la, whatever. Do, the stuff I buy beer with. Re, the guy I buy beer from. Mi, the guy I buy beer for.
You're going up way too fast.
Like half it.
You're going up way too fast. You're
Far a long way to the bathroom, so I'll have another beer, another beer.
Baby, you need to start over.
Alright, do the stuff I buy beer with, Ray, the guy I buy beer from, me, the guy I buy beer for, far a long way to the bathroom, so I'll have another beer. La 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 beer. I said, you're moving your hand. Wait, T, no that. Oh, T, no this, I'll have a beer. And
We have
I'm not putting this in my vlog.
14 hours until Hannah's senior thesis is due. We call it a comps at our college. Hannah's pretty stressed, but don't worry. She's getting through it. Yep.